What's up, guys? I was going to jump on here real quick to do a quick unboxing video. I was sent a new dash cam to try out from a company called Weefaka. They wanted me to give an honest review on it, so we'll see how that goes. Today's just going to be an unboxing video. If you'd like to see the install video or the review video, that'll be coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the unboxing real quick. Pretty nice packaging we got here. We got some gloves that it came with. Looks like we got our wires and connectors and even a trim tab piece to pull out the trim pieces, which is convenient. And then the dash unit itself, as you can see, the camera is right here. This entire piece of trim will go in like an OEM piece up behind the rear view mirror. Looks decent quality just from my initial impressions, but we'll see how this goes in the install video. Like I said, drop a like or subscribe if you would like to see further on this one. Thank you.